guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we have something really special going on at this studio. It is Ipsy Glam Bag. Yay, I've received my first one and I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's rock it. So let me give you a little intro on what is this. For those of you who have never used that, it is a subscription service which you pay like 10 bucks a month and receive 5 different samples of products, of beauty products and a glam bag. They always so pretty, they always adorable, and they're customized products which will suit you basically. Not every single one, but based on the survey you fill in. Let's wait no more and open this. Wow, guys, it is very, very adorable. To be honest, I've opened it, I've tried those things, and I'm ready to give you my review of it because I didn't want to do first impression when you kind of do not know what to expect. But I wanted to go through to test everything and after that give you my thoughts. The Ipsy team is really thoughtful and they sent these beautiful cards with the themes of each month. For the month of April, the theme is Social Butterfly. What does it mean? Whenever you have any possibility of anything social, for example, a friends meet together or museum opportunity or whatever it is, say yes to it. Stop hiding in your world. Go out there and live your life. Live it full and enjoy it. Let's get to the products. So should I mention that this bag is beyond beautiful and the products inside? Let's just check them out and go product by product. So the first one would be Laboratories Filorga. It is a Meso-Mask, which is a hydrating mask because the main ingredients here are collagen and biotin, which are widely known for plumbing your skin, hydrating it deeply, and to some extent you can even receive the fine wrinkle smoothing effect, which is really good. The smell of this mask, guys, it is insane. It is so refreshing. Basically, how do you use this little mask here? You wash your face, dry it with a towel, apply this one for 15 to 20 minutes, I would say, with a thick layer of it. It will start drying. Then wash it with a warm water and you're ready to go. It is really beautiful, and after use of this mask, I felt my skin plumpier and even a little bit more bright. So I love this mask. Mention the smell, it's everything, and I will consider this product. It's really nice. So the second product here is this lip scrub. This is by brand Truffle Cosmetics. It is cruelty free, it is vegan, it is natural and allergens free. Sounds like a dream, right? The only thing you cannot eat it. It's okay. This one has a water in it, sugar as the main ingredient and exfoliant. By the way, to mention, it has an almond oil as a moisturizing and plumbing ingredient. So when you are done scrubbing your lips, they are really pampered. This scent is to die for. It smells like a watermelon with vanilla notes. That scrub is pretty gentle to your lips, so it is not like highly packed with scrubbing particles. Love it. So the next thing is this pretty Glamour doll blending brush. This product, it looks beyond cute. It is really, really pretty, and I mean every girl wanna have this in her vanity. It looks so like Instagram-ish. It looks so cute. However, talking about the quality of this one, you can still work with it, it is fine, but it's not my favorite. You can tell right away by feeling it that this is a synthetic bristles brush. And it's not those soft, fully packed synthetic bristles. I mean, I have a lot of those kind of brushes, but it is, the very bristles are not soft enough for me. I don't hate it, but it is not my favorite. I'm not gonna reach for this one much. Not bad, but not my favorite. Let's get to these eyeshadows. Let me just show you. This shade, you guys, it is stunning. It is amazing. It is the most pigmented. To some extent, it even feels like a foil. It is so beautiful. Just so beautiful. What is it? It is a mineralized loose eyeshadows. They are amazing. The only negative thing about those, they have a huge fallout. Like huge fallout. When the shadows are so pigmented, the fallout doesn't matter. And take to the account that it is a mineralized one, so they're not so bad for your eyes, for your skin. So you will kind of get a compromise here. I love it. I will keep it. I will use it. Actually, I wore a makeup yesterday with these ones. So beautiful, stunning. I've been using them both dry and wet. This is a dry swatch. Just can you imagine how the wet one will look? Beaming, you're right. As you all guys know, the biggest, the last. Love this rule. That's why we have a dessert here. This is a Ciate London Star Stuck eyeliner and the stamp. And I've seen this in so many videos, and finally, finally, I got my hands on this stuff. Whew. Can't explain you, just I've been wearing it all day yesterday, and I am obsessed, you guys. Completely obsessed, in love, crazy about it. It is a beautiful matte eyeliner with great precision tip. Maybe it is not as precise as, for example, Kate Von D Tattoo Liner, but it is good and it does its job. It is so pigmented, it is matte, and if you will rub it, it doesn't move, so it stays there, stay put. And the biggest thing about it is this stamp side of it. It is a little star, so still cute. You have to first try it, for example, on your hand or somewhere, how it works to figure it out, and then put it on your face, because as I said, it's still there. You can rub it and it will be there. It is really easy to wash off with water or with micellar water or something. So let me show you the stamp. So I enjoyed my glam bag. Yeah, not everything works so well for me, but in general, like 4 products out of 5, and the glam bag, which is amazing. You feel like a Christmas morning, you know, when you go to the mail to grab this one. Totally for it. I'm into it and I'm gonna reorder it. So just little quick reminder that I pay my own money for this bag. I'm not receiving it as a gift or something. It is not a promotion or a PR. I pay for it. I didn't want to spend my money on something I did not know. So when I'm receiving this bag and understand myself as a YouTuber and think of those people who founded it, I get a vibe, I get a feeling from being in a family. Also, it was founded back then in 2011, so it's almost 7 years. And in those 7 years, people who founded the company, they just did not stop. They did not said, okay, we have this brand and we're fine. No, they kept moving and creating new things. They were thinking outside the box. A few weeks ago, there was a huge expo going on, the Beauty Expo, founded as well by this Ipsy company, as well as the studios they have for the YouTubers to use, the subscription services, the cashback services. So, and when I found out about this company and did my research, I felt so good about it. It motivated me. It gave me a respect to people who are doing that, and of course I've enjoyed the glam bag, a good one. Here we are, guys, at the end of the video. To summarize everything, I would say that I really enjoyed that bag and I'm gonna order it once again and again and again and again. I'm wishing you the same. So at this point, I'm wishing you a great day. I'm loving you all.